Zoom toys. And we're going to learn about the dinosaurs in this box. So let's open it and start the video. This is a T-Rex and it is a big dinosaur. Now let's go to the next one. This is a pterodactyl and it can fly. Woo! Let's put them right next to him. Oh, wait, there's a fool. The next one is a velociraptor. They can go zooming past every single dinosaur. This is a brachiosaurus and it has a long neck. This. Next one. And this is another velociraptor and it can go fast. Let's put them here. This is a triceratops and it is a cute little animal, but when they grow very big, they're dangerous. This is a baby brachiosaurus, has a long neck. This is a stegosaurus and it has little spikes. Let's put them here. At the back too. Let's see. This is a Spinosaurus and it has a long fin. And I don't know why there's blood on here. This is a Parasaurolophus. And it's a tricky name. Let's put this right here. Let's try to find another one. This is a baby T-Rex. Aw, look how cute he is. It is. But let's put him right here. The daddy is a huge. This is a triceratops and it has long horns. Ow, that actually hurted. No, let me put them right next to the baby. This is a Parasaurolophus and it is a tricky name. Goodness, there's two of them. No. This is a tiny velociraptor. Okay, let's put them right down here. Nobody stands up. Come on, get it. This is a tricky name, so this is going to be on the screen.
Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus.
Okay, the next one is another one of these. This is a tricky name also. Same thing. This is a mommy T-Rex and it is scary. And what in the world is that mouth? I'm probably scared of that thing. This is a brachiosaurus. And look how cute he is. He is a little one. Oh no, look collapse. Okay, move. Bam, they're all together. The next one. This is two baby brontosaurus. And look how cute they are. Aww. Let's put them right here. Boom. Oh no. This one's a bigger brother. These are three baby velociraptors. I guess they can go oopsie. Oh no! Once again, guys, I'm gonna go. Oh no! The velociraptors are gonna lay down. Next one, next one, next one. These two are the same as here. They'll probably be on the screen too. This is a baby velociraptor and it's orange. Like the color orange. It's gonna lay down too because look, climate sand. Okay. This is two baby T-Rexes. So let's put them next to the daddy. Oh, why do they keep falling? Let's put them back up. Oopsie. And that's it, guys. Let's do it. Look at all the dinosaurs, guys. Get out of my way! T-Rex one, guys. And what is your favorite dinosaur out of all of them? Guys, I hope you all learn about the dinosaurs. Bye, kids!